Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo. What's up? What's up? Yes, I know. It's been a minute since I sat down to record, and Anjum Saab has been dropping tracks like loose change, isn't it? So he's got like 4 tracks out, and they're all collabs. So I have been bombarded with your messages. Yes, I have been getting them, but I finished my last session. I think I covered a lot of Hassan Rahim and a few other tracks. You'll see them. And then this was left. So बहुत दिन delay हो गया recording session, but now I'm here. So what I'm going to do is he's got 4 tracks. I'm going to cover 2 in this video. The first one that dropped was on the 5th of September, Channa Way with Rahul Satu, and another one that dropped like 9 days later on September 14 with JJ and Umer and Maria Unera, which is City Lights. So I'll cover both of them today. Fine. Actually, we'll start with Channa Way. So I actually met Rahul at All About Music at the conference, and hey Rahul, very sweetly like came up to me and told me he has a track coming out with Talanjum, and I was like, what? Okay, amazing. And that dropped. So that was exactly a month before it dropped. Okay, cool. So I knew this was coming, but let's get to it. Very odd as in unexpected collab and people getting together, but lovely. I think Rahul is from Canada, if I'm not mistaken. And since this has a video, did they shoot it while the YS were there? उनका concert कुछ हुआ था ना उधर? ठीक है, let's see what it's about. This is for the ones who feel the emptiness left behind by the absence of a loved one. Okay, Channa Way is a track from the girl's perspective where she feels used and betrayed. Oh, by Rahul Satu. Whereas on the contrary, Tala Anjum's verse is purely from a guy's perspective. Okay. I was just going to ask, but it says this conversational track. I was like, is it a conversation? This conversational track will take you deep into the feels, and surely make you cry. So brace yourself before listening. It's highly addictive. Okay, let's see if it is. Rahul and Tala, composer Rahul, lyrics Navi, Lali dub, and Rahul, rap lyrics. Rap lyrics, I would say. Rap lyrics. This is a tongue twister. Say it fast. Rap lyrics. Oh, lap ho raha hai. Anyway, say it fast. Let's see how long you last. Rap lyrics by Talanjum. Production Rahul and Rackstorm Music. Mixed by Rahul and Shadab Raheen. Interesting. Tala's vocals recorded and mixed by Joke. Hey, okay. Assistant engineer Anup. Lovely yaar. Let's check it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, play. So much mascara.
कैसे भूल तेरी यादें तेरे बिना सब खाली सा लगे जिस्मों तक बातें रूह से अब रिश्ता क्या बने कैसे भूल तेरी यादें तेरे बिना सब खाली सा लगे दिल को समझाऊं आज फिर जिद तेरी ये करे तेरे पीछे और भी थे यारा फिर भी एतबार किया यारा तूने जिस्म से खेला क्यों यारा मैंने बस प्यार किया यारा अब तेरी यादें मेरे दिल से तो हटा दे तुझको क्यों समझ नहीं आवे तेरे पीछे टूटा जो गुरु हो गया वे मैं चूर चन्ना वे होके दूर हो गया वे मैं चूर चन्ना के तू हो गया वे मैं चूर चन्ना वे हो के तू हो गया वे मैं चूर
मुझे तेरे बिछड़ने का गिला नहीं ये शायद मेरे कर्मों का सिला ही लोग सुन परस्ती किरदार के सगे नहीं चांद से ज्यादा हसीन तू चांद भी लगे नहीं क्या लिखूं मैं हुस्न पे तेरे मैं सबसे रह के दूर अब बैठा दिल के पहरे पे मैं चुप हूँ तेरे चेहरे पे दिल के जख्म भी गहरे थे खुदा की मुझ पे रहमतें हम कम अकल अहमक हैं मैं लड़खड़ा के चल पड़ा के मुंतजिर है मैं कदे हम वो ज़मीं का टुकड़ा जिस पे खंदकें और सरहदें अब दिल को बड़ी दिक्कतें मुशक्क़तों में दिन कटे हम मुख्तलिफ भी हैं कभी हम होते हू बहू हम किस किस्म की जंग में और हम किसके रूबरू दिल की बेदिली का क्या करूं बता भी दो ये पर्दे अब हटा भी दो सवाल का जवाब दो आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ रीज़न मैं आगे आगे तेरी यादें मेरे पीछे एंड नाउ वी हार्डली ब्रीदिंग सांसें दब रही मुद्दतों के नीचे मैं दूर भी मैं मजबूर भी रब रहीम भी रब गफूर भी तू एक गुमान भी तू एक फनून भी तू मेरी अक्ल भी तू मेरा फितूर भी
अब तेरी ये यादें मेरे दिल से तो हटा दे तुझको क्यों समझ नहीं आवे तेरे पीछे टूटा जो चन्ना में होके तू हो गया वे मैं चन्ना में होके तू हो गया वे मैं चन्ना में होके तू हो गया वे मैं
Interesting. I have to be extremely honest. I think the track didn't really need a video. I think it's a really nice track, but the video was actually distracting me from the the soul of it, I would say, quite honestly, because it's a very soulful track. And that's why I shut my eyes in the middle because I was like, you know what, whatever's happening on the screen is not helping me feel the track. So I think I can do without this video. And so, sometimes that does happen, right? So I know when a video elevates the emotionality of the song for me and when it's actually taking me away from it. So yeah, sure, there was, a girl, a guy, and I'm just like, I just like to look for something new in a video. And if I don't feel that's happening, then it distracts me from the song. So that is what happened. But her killing him and then burying him and all was a little bit much. But she felt used, so probably slight serial killer vibes of this girl. Anyway, I liked that Rahul wrote and sang from the girl's perspective, and I feel like it probably captures a very realistic scenario where after a relationship probably ends and there's no closure or real reason as to why it happened. The girl starts feeling used. Hota hai. But I really liked, I mean, there's nothing to not like about Anjum's verse, especially in tracks like this. I think he really brings out the shire in him in these songs. And it's definitely like, we may say he's obviously, the all-rounder. He can do any kind of vibe. But I would say this is definitely his forte. For me now, it's definitely turned into that also because I'm kind of switched off from the other themes in rap right now. But he used a lot of Urdu words, which I did not understand. So I was like, padna padega baad mein verse. Lekin overall, I feel like it's a very feel-good track. It really gave me बीच बीच में बेवफा by इमरान खान वाली vibes. I think same theme, same zone obviously है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा for some reason I got maybe the hook just took me into that space. Really nice hook, melodic. If I could nitpick and say one thing, I wish the pace of the track was slightly faster. But then again, that's just my personal preference. I think a lot of people will like this kind of a laid back-ish beat and pace or tempo, if you will. So anywho, I wish this track had just had a visualizer maybe, because the video didn't do much for me personally. And yeah, let me just see यहाँ पे कहीं पे लिरिक्स हैं या नहीं। ओके, तला का वर्स तो है, सो या ठीक है, राहुल्स वर्स वाज वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड he said this thing. Let me just go over Tala's verse because a lot of Urdu words I didn't. मुझे तेरे बिछड़ने का गिला नहीं, तो minute he starts that voice. ये शायद मेरे कर्मों का सिला है, लोग हुस्न परस्त ये किरदार के सगे नहीं. हुस्न परस्त is like admirers of beauty, right? Let me just Google it. Okay, fine. Alright. चांद से ज्यादा हंसी तो चांद भी लगे नहीं, क्या लिखूं मैं हुस्न पे तेरे. So he's actually an admirer of hers. But then why did he break up? I didn't understand that bit. Like I felt like the conversation for me was a little like what she said something and then what did he actually say back to her? What was his like? Did he really say something back to her or was he just sitting in his own zone talking to himself? मैं सबसे रह के दूर अब बैठा दिल के पहरे पे, मैं चुप हूँ तेरे चेहरे पे. Yeah, see? He's silent. दिल कैसे गम भी गहरे थे, खुदा की मुझ पे रहमतें, हम कम अकल अहमक हैं. अहमक क्या होता है? ओके. हम कम अकल अहमक हैं, मैं लड़खड़ा के चल पड़ा के मुंतजिर है मैं कदे. Okay. मैं कदे. That Hariharan song, this word reminds me of मैं कदे. हम वो जमीन का टुकड़ा जिस पे खंडके और सरहदें. What is खंडके? Actually, what I've noticed is on Genius, they have the lyrics with some of the words the contributor has highlighted with the meaning. It's amazing. I love it. I have to sneeze. Hold on. Okay. Khandake means trenches or ditch. Okay. I keep needing to sneeze. Anyway. और सरहदें. अब दिल को बड़ी दिक्कतें मुश्किलों में दिन कटे. What is मुश्किल? Hardship. Okay. हम मुख्तलिफ भी हैं. मुख्तलिफ क्या है? Different. Okay. कभी हम होते हूबहू. Different, same. हम किस किस्म की जंग में और हम किसके रूबरू. दिल की बेदिली का क्या करूं बता भी दो, ये पर्दे अब हटा भी दो, सवाल का जवाब दो. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ रीजन. मैं आगे आगे तेरी यादें मेरे पीछे. एंड नाउ वी हार्डली ब्रीदिंग. सांसें दब रही मुद्दतों के नीचे. मैं दूर भी, मैं मजबूर भी, रब रहीम भी, रब गफूर भी. दिस आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. गॉड इज फॉरगिविंग एंड मर्सीफुल. ओके. तू एक गुमान भी, हाँ गुमान. तू एक फनून भी. फनून क्या होता है? तू मेरी अकल भी, तू मेरा फितूर भी. फितूर मीन्स लाइक obsession, right? Yeah. Okay, so I like it. I like it. Listen, this is Anjum's zone. So I don't know why I keep needing to sneeze, but bear with me. There'll be cuts in this video in the final edit. So yeah, very pleasant listen. This is definitely a radio hit kind of song. I won't be surprised if it's trending. The hook is catchy. The vibe is nice. In some parts of Rahul's voice, I couldn't hear his voice. I couldn't hear some of the words he was pronouncing. So I found myself thinking that I wish he was a little louder, or I wish he had a little more like his voice was a little आगे थोड़ा या फिर थोड़ा सा clearer. So that's one thing, but otherwise it was quite a vibe, and I can see this being a very like I can see it being a radio hit, and parts of Anjum's verse trending online, or maybe even the hook. So yeah, good stuff. Didn't love the video, but let's move on. We have another track to cover in this, which is called City Lights now. JJ Bhai Saab hai and Anjum and then Maria. Why does this name sound familiar? Have I heard something of hers before? Let me quickly check if I have covered anything, because no. Okay, but the name sounds very familiar. Anyway, Umair is on the beats. Love it. Mixed and mastered by Joe K. So let's go for it. Is it from JJ's EP by any chance? I know. I have to cover June. I really want to cover the whole thing. I hope I can okay, there are projects की list में वो top पे है right now in my projects to cover list. So I will get to. Is this from that? I don't think so. Is it? I think it's a single. Anyway, let's listen to this and see what's going on. City Lights, 1, 2, 3, play.
मैं लिख चुका हूँ गाने एक किताब के बराबर, किताब बंद करके रख दी शराब के बराबर, शराब के बिना ये बोतल कांच के बराबर, मैं अंधेरे में हूँ जलते एक चिराग के बराबर। देखो फिजा ले चुकी बहार की जगह भी। गुलाब खिलता है पर एक गुलाब की जगह पर, जैसे बाग से है कायम उसकी आज भी रफाकत। ऑल आई नीड इज लॉयल्टी, समझदारी और सदाकत। बातें बनाने में माहिर हूँ मैं, पर्दों में भी कितना जाहिर हूँ मैं। लिखता हूँ जैसे कि शायर हूँ मैं, कहने से डरता हूँ कितना कायर हूँ मैं। I'm Mr. No Love Lost, I'm on the phone, डीलर करी जा रहा है प्लग टॉक। Locked in the studio, मैं सब कर दूँ मिस आउट। इस कलम को मैं जबरदस्ती घिस रहा हूँ। Yeah, this that कटर कराची नाइफ टॉक। Your nose in my business, boy, wipe that white off। A bright mind, कमरे की मैं रखूँ lights off। वो मुझसे पूछते हैं Are you ever sober? I said नहीं boss। अब मैं जे और कैली कुश in the air। Married to the game, ये नहीं business affair। अब मैं focused, vision भी है clear। They know what it is, I don't really have to say, do I?
चलते चलते पहुंचे हैं कहीं, पर ये मंजिल तो नहीं, ये मंजिल तो नहीं। चलते यूं के करते रोशनी, the city lights need me, the city lights need me।
इर्द गिर्द खड़े लोग दूर देखता, अभी भी है याद मुझे घर बना रेत का। आसमां पे ताक के दुआएं ऊपर फेंकता, यार चल बसा मेरा जैसा भी था नेक था। ये हजूम मेरे पास सिर्फ नाम का है, मैं मेरे शहर में शुरू से ही एक था और अब सब में है एकता। तेरे लिए उर्दू मेरे लिए रेखता, खुशबू हवा में जो महके अब पूरी पूरी रात लगे रहते कह के। अब हम खुद किसी से ना ये कहते, अब हमें यार बता रहे हम ना सहते। अब ये बैठे हुए कान लगा के खींचते हैं पीछे बड़ी जान लगा के, काम ही क्या करते ध्यान लगा के। हमें घूमना पड़ रहा सामान लगा के। ख्वाब तो ख्वाब है, पता नहीं बनूंगा, सोचूं अपने लोगों के लिए आसानी बनूंगा। मैं जी गया तो सही वरना कहानी बनूंगा, बहता रहूंगा ता हयात पानी बनूंगा। पहले शोर अब काम लगे जिंदगी, देर से उठूं बड़ी आराम लगे जिंदगी। मेरा इम्तिहान लगे जिंदगी, रब ये इनाम लगे जिंदगी।
100 जख्म दिल को लगे हैं, 100 जख्म 100 दफा खुद से जो की है गुफ्तगू, 'cause you never came through। I was waiting on you, city lights need me like I need you, city lights need me। चलते चलते पहुंचे हैं कहीं, पर ये मंजिल तो नहीं, ये मंजिल तो नहीं। चलते यूं के करते रोशनी, the city lights need me, the city lights need me।
Umair, vocal chop right at the end. I love those, by the way. Can I just say, I just really like the use of those because it sounds like another instrument is being played, but it's not. And I just had this discussion with Zulfi for 2 a.m. The thing that keeps happening, the song starts with, that's a vocal chop in one of the producer's voices. And I was like, it was so good. I was wondering, ye kaun sa instrument hai? But turns out it's not an instrument. Of course, the voice is an instrument, but yeah, I love it. And what a minimalistic music, arrangement and underlay. Umair, what are you doing? I really liked it. It's just simple, like keys, a little bit of, gives a very, very like minimalistic, understated, less is more, all those aesthetics. I like. And yeah, so props to all of them. They flowed on that like very minimalistic music arrangement. It's not easy to, write that because it's barely anything. So I really liked how each of them did that in their own way. I'm going to read the lyrics to try and like gauge what each one is saying properly. But yeah, it's just a very easy, chill listen. And there was a bit of panning happening with the ad-libs, which I really liked. And yeah. Let me see if I can figure out what each of them was trying to say, because I feel each verse was thematically slightly different, apart from obviously the hook, the chorus. But take verse 1, Tala. मैं लिख चुका हूँ गाने एक किताब के बराबर. Let me see if this is in the comments. Let me see if it's there in Genius, because then it'll highlight the Urdu words. One hopes, one can only hope. Yeah, okay, it's there. No, this contributor has not highlighted the words. Anyway, let's read them. मैं लिख चुका हूँ गाने किताब के बराबर. यस यस, यू आर राइट. एक क्या, आप दो तीन किताब लिख चुके हैं जैसे. किताब बंद करके रख दी शराब के बराबर. शराब के बिना ये बोतल कांच के बराबर. Maybe you should control the alcohol intake. Just saying, we all care about your liver. मैं अंधेरे में हूँ जलते एक चिराग के बराबर. देखो खिजान खिजान ले चुकी बाहर की जगह भी. I'm guessing खिजा is like winter, no? Autumn, fall, okay. Okay, बाहर की जगह भी गुलाब खिलता है पर एक गुलाब की जगह पर. ओहो, interesting. Something has to die to be replaced by something else. जैसे बाग से है कायम उसकी आज भी रफाकत. What is रफाकत? Okay, friendship. बाग से है कायम उसकी आज भी रफाकत. All I need is loyalty, समझदारी और सदाकत. Yes, we all need loyalty. What is sadakat? Samajhdari also we all need. Like half a brain in a human would be nice, but that is a lot to ask nowadays. Just say sadakat is truth, sincerity, fidelity. Got it. Okay. Yes, very important. बातें बनाने में माहिर हूँ मैं, young OG. Pardon, मैं भी कितना जाहिर हूँ मैं, you know. लिखता हूँ जैसे कि शायर हूँ मैं, ये आ गया. कहीं ना कहीं आना है. पर्दों में भी कितना जाहिर हूँ मैं. Sorry, not pardon. What did I say? Don't laugh. Okay. पर्दों में भी कितना जाहिर हूँ मैं, यू नो मी. नाइस लाइन. लिखता हूँ जैसे कि शायर हूँ मैं. वो भाई साहब, ये तो आप कह रहे थे 5 मिनट पहले. कहने से डरता हूँ कितना कायर हूँ मैं. यार, दैट इज अ वेरी नाइस लाइन, बिकॉज मोस्ट पीपल nowadays are cowards and they're scared to say it. So I like it that he's admitting, he's saying it. He's, I guess, some things I cannot face in life. I'm Mr. No Love Lost. Dropping song name. I'm on the phone, डीलर कर रही जा रहा है प्लग टॉक. लॉक्ड इन द स्टूडियो में सब कर दूं मिस आउट. इस कलम को मैं जबरदस्ती घिस रहा हूँ. या दिस दैट कट्टर कराची नाइफ टॉक. नेम ड्रॉप ऑफ सॉन्ग अगेन. योर नोज इन माय बिजनेस बॉय वाइप दैट वाइट ऑफ. ओहो, समवन इज हाई ऑन कोक. अब ब्राइट माइंड कमरे की मैं रखूं लाइट्स ऑफ. नाइस. वो मुझसे पूछते हैं आर यू इवन सोबर. आई सेड नहीं बॉस. व्हाई sobriety is a virtue. I mean, it's actually nice to be in your senses. I like it. अब मैं जे और कैली कुश इन दी एयर. ये क्या है? सॉरी, कैमरा डाइड. इज इट? अब मैं जे और कैली कुश इन दी एयर. मैरिड टू द गेम, ये नई बिजनेस अफेयर. व्हाट इज जे और कैली? Okay, I'm guessing it's types of some things. Married to the game, ये नहीं business affair. अब मैं focus vision भी है clear. They know what it is. I don't really have to say it, do I? What is it? I don't know. You do have to say it for people like me. I have no idea. Okay, anyway, then Maria Urin. So here, when he finished, I was like, like he went into a different zone of talking about life and all of that. So I feel like this is like a late night song, late nights, like, yeah, the same 2 a.m. type of conversations. And then her voice, by the way, that is what stood out to me the most in this track. The texture, the tonality, everything, like very, very fresh and very unique. चलते चलते पहुंचे हैं कहीं पर, ये मंजिल तो नहीं, ये मंजिल तो नहीं. जलते यूं कि कर दे रोशनी. दिस लाइक व्हेन यू आर ड्राइविंग लेट एट नाइट थिंकिंग दीस थॉट्स एंड देन दिस इज व्हाट यू. जलते यूं के कर दे रोशनी. आई लाइक दैट लाइन. जलते यूं के कर दे रोशनी goes with my name also. The city lights need me, the city lights need me. Okay. इर्द गिर्द खड़े, जेजेस बस खड़े लोग दूर देखता, अभी भी है याद मुझे घर बना रेत का. So they're like thinking about their life basically, each one in their own way. आसमां पे ताक के दुआएं ऊपर फेंकता. नाइस. यार चल बसा मेरा जैसा भी था नेक था. सैड. ये हुजूम मेरे पास सिर्फ नाम का है. हुजूम क्या मतलब? हुजूम मीनिंग प्राउड. ये हुजूम मेरे पास सिर्फ नाम का है, मैं मेरे शहर में शुरू से ही एक था। ओहो भाई साहब, और अब सब में है एकता, तेरे लिए उर्दू मेरे लिए रेखता। वाह वाह वाह, क्या लाइन है। व्हाट, there's a जश्न रेखता या क्या है, वो फेस्टिवल होता है, या आई थिंक जश्न रेखता happens in Delhi every year। खुशबू हवा में जो महके, अब पूरी पूरी रात लगे रहते कह के अब, हम खुद किसी से ना ये कहते अब, हमें यार बता रहे हम ना सहते अब, ये बैठे हुए कान लगा के खींचते हैं पीछे बड़ी जान लगा के, काम ही क्या करते ध्यान लगा के, हमें घूमना पड़ रहा सामान लगा के, आप तो ख्वाब में पता नहीं बनूंगा, सोचूं अपने लोगों के लिए आसानी बनूंगा, मैं जी गया तो सही वरना कहानी बनूंगा। Listen, at the end of the day we are all stories, and how long will our stories even last, we don't know। बहता रहूंगा ताहयात पानी बनूंगा, पहले शोर अब काम लगे जिंदगी, देर से उठूं बड़ी आराम लगे जिंदगी, मेरा इम्तहान लगे जिंदगी, रब ये इनाम लगे जिंदगी। उफ, इनाम, I like it। Then the bridge, Maria, I like this section। 100 जख्म दिल पे लगे हैं 100 जख्म, just the way she sang this, उफ, her voice, उफ, so good। 100 जख्म दिल पे लगे हैं 100 जख्म, 100 दफा खुद से जो की है गुफ्तगू, but she never came through, I was waiting on you। City lights need me like I need you, city lights need me। So the city lights need me, I didn't understand fully। If someone knows what that is for and about, tell me in the comments। And then chalte chalte pahunche hain kahan, the chorus। So I really like this bridge, I love Maria's voice, I like both their verses, very introspective, thoughtful। It's a late night drive, I think, is the immediate thoughts, especially because the track is also called City Lights, so that's when you can actually enjoy the city lights, when it's a long empty road and you're just driving by yourself in your thoughts। Loved it। Soundscape, beautifully minimalistic, and I loved how it ended as well। So lovely, yaar। Both the tracks are a vibe and easy listen। Should they make it to the Rondu playlist? Let me know if you all want it on the Rondu playlist, I will add that। Chalo, I'm going to get to the other collabs of TAs that you all have been requesting very soon, and probably in this session itself। And yeah, take care of yourselves, live long and prosper।
चलते यूं के करते रोशनी, the city lights need me, the city lights need me।